What went wrong here is when asked to simplify, the student mistakenly used the calculator, thus leaving this message from the teacher, leave calculator alone. What she need to do is use the simplification for the radicals, which we're going to go through next. To start, we notice that there's two negative signs. So I'm going to put the negative sign out to make my simplification easier, so I can combine those two negative signs later on. And from here, I combine all the numbers together because I have minus 1 times minus 1 radical sign. That gives me minus 1 radical sign. The whole thing times together, so I have minus 1. I get rid of my radical sign. 3 is left alone over here. And then on the red part, I have a radical 32 and a radical 24. So let's take a look, how do we simplify that? I wrote this on the side. Radical 32, the quickest way to do this is you look for the perfect squares. 4, 9, 25, 16, they're all perfect squares. So you look for the largest perfect square, and in our case is 16. And what 16 times 2 is 32. So 16 becomes perfect square for 4, and then I have become 4 times radical 2. I do the same thing for radical 24. You can, of course, multiply 32 and 24, and it's going to be a big number. So the quicker way is to simplify each one of them. Okay, let's take a look how we simplify 24. The largest one here, unfortunately, it's a pretty small one. 4 is perfect square, and left with 6. 6 is an even number, but it's not a perfect square, so I'm just going to leave it over here. I have 4, radical 4 is a 2, so I left it over here, and radical 6, radical 2 combine into radical 12, and I start all over again. One more time, and then 12 becomes 4 and 3. So 4 become 2 to combine into this 24. And that gives me the final answer of minus 48 times radical 3. All right, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please share or comment on this video. Together we can make math easy again.